in producing the industrial connector devices. We are one of the members of the National Electronic Accessory Standardization Technical Committee, also one of the drafting committee of the National Standard GBT 11918-2014. Now, our product assortment include more than 10,000 different products. Successful cases: Olympic Stadium Bird's Nest project, 60th Anniversary National Day Xianmen Square Celebrating Lighting Project, Shanghai Universal Exposition Opening Ceremony Lighting Project. In addition, we own the Perfect Modern Workshop, Tooling Workshop and Electroplanting Factory. We effectively control all production steps and test each product individually. Here, we will test in actual operations with raw use. Each product will go through 25 testing process according to its specific field of use, ensure the high safety and durability. We have over 12,000 square meters logistics center, which will send out 18 million packages per year, serving all the corners of the world and many different application scenarios. Today, you can see the Weipu connector all over the world.